Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to achieve financial freedom, personal development, and make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use artificial intelligence to create images and sell them on stock photo websites. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the technology that enables machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing faces, or generating images. AI has been advancing rapidly in recent years, and now there are many tools and apps that allow anyone to create stunning visuals with just a few clicks. One of the most popular and powerful AI image generators is DALL-E 2 by OpenAI, a research lab co-founded by Elon Musk. DALL-E 2 can create original, realistic images and art from a text description. It can combine concepts, attributes, and styles in surprising and creative ways. For example, you can type a raccoon astronaut with the cosmos reflecting on the glass of his helmet, and DALL-E 2 will generate several images that match your prompt. But how can you make money by selling these AI-generated images? Well, there are many stock photo websites that allow you to upload and sell your photos online to brands, publishers, or anyone who might need them for their own purposes. Some of the most popular ones are Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock. These websites have millions of customers around the world and offer different royalty rates and payment structures for contributors. However, before you start uploading your AI-generated images to these websites, there are some things you need to know and consider. First of all, you need to make sure that you have the right to sell the images you create with AI. Some AI image generators may have terms of service that restrict the commercial use of their outputs or require attribution. For example, Midjourney, another popular AI image generator, only allows paying members to own and sell the assets they create with the service. Secondly, you need to check the quality and resolution of your AI-generated images. Some AI image generators may produce low-resolution or pixelated images that may not meet the standards of stock photo websites. You may need to use an external program to upscale or enhance your images before uploading them. You may also need to fix any visual oddities or errors that may occur in the AI-generated images, such as poorly rendered facial features or unrealistic proportions. Thirdly, you need to optimize your AI-generated images for search engines and customers. This means that you need to use relevant keywords and tags that describe your images and match what people are looking for. You also need to write catchy titles and descriptions that attract attention and interest. You can use tools like Google Trends or Keyword Tool to find out what are the most popular and trending topics and keywords related to your images. Finally, you need to be aware of the ethical and legal implications of selling AI-generated images online. There may be issues such as plagiarism, copyright infringement, or misrepresentation that may arise from using AI-generated images without proper permission or credit. You also need to respect the privacy and rights of any human subjects that may appear in your AI-generated images, especially if they are recognizable or identifiable. So, is it possible to make money by selling AI-generated images on stock photo websites? The answer is yes, but it requires some research, preparation, and caution. You also need to be creative and original in generating your images and not rely solely on AI. Remember that AI is a tool that can help you enhance your work, but not replace it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what are your thoughts on selling AI-generated images online. Have you tried it? Would you try it? What are some of the challenges or benefits of doing so? I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.